The purpose of this video is to show the new documents and how to use the new documents that we created during curriculum work this summer. The first thing we're going to go to is the new at-a-glance for probability and statistics. And as you can see right away, there's a format change from past years. No longer do you see the months going down the right side of the screen. We've eliminated that and created a time frame with relative completion dates listed as well. The only thing as far as the units go, we moved up the unit on regression after the data description unit. So if you see, we moved it up. It used to be at the end. Now it is after Unit 3 data description. Also, if you notice the outline on the left that I keep referring to get that to show, you can go to Tools and then Document Outline. And it'll show that outline. So if it doesn't automatically appear, that will make it appear. Now to the consensus map. This format didn't really change at all. But again, we added kind of a table of contents where you can click and jump to any particular unit. So let's say I go to Unit 6, probability. The format's pretty much the same. But as far as resources, we've taken the resources out of the consensus map and put them into a resource document. So right here, probability statistics resources. All of these resources are either online, like you see videos, Edpuzzles, Kahoots. Any online resources are found in this resource document. Other resources, and to open them, I'll just show you if you want to open one of these. Here's a blended learning creation collaboration activity. So you would just click on it and it'll open in a new page. So here is this blended learning lesson. And also that has links within it that you could also click. Okay, and again, these are all online resources or blended learning and also creation collaboration activities. As far as worksheets, because we've had problems in the past linking worksheets in these consensus maps or in these resource documents, we created folders this year. So if I go back to the folders, here you see resources by unit, and we have each unit broken down and then resources within each unit folder. So if I want to go to Unit 8, normal distributions, here's quizzes, tests, and other worksheets. So I'll just kind of review. So things, oh, and one last thing, we added learning target checklists for teachers and for students. That's these two documents. One is editable, one is not. I'm going to open the PDF. But this is broken down by unit and with specific learning tasks. And as you complete each learning task, as the student thinks they've completed a learning task, they check it off, and the teacher also can check it off. Okay, so this way you can give one of these to each student. All right, just a quick recap. So we have the at-a-glance, with the only change being linear regression moving up from the very end to after the data description unit. The consensus map now no longer has links to resources, but it's just really a breakdown by standard with learning tasks listed. And then our resources are all found either in the resource document and just by clicking on the links, or in individual resource folders by unit.